What's up guys, running you through how to apply our everyday LUTs to your videos in Premiere Pro. So we are using Adobe Premiere Pro version 2022, and in the top right hand corner, you can navigate your way to the color window. Now once you're in the color window on the right panel there, it's best to go to the creative tab. Clicking on the drop down and you will notice a bunch of different options. There are already Adobe Premiere Pro preset lookup tables, but let's click on browse and head to our everyday LUT bundle. Now with this clip, it's completely up to your discretion. You can use any of these LUTs, you can test them all out. However, for this particular style, we recommend using the nature pack. Let's test the autumn wind LUT on this particular clip, and all we have to do is open that and the color will be applied straight away. Now if you like the color, feel free to export the clip or continue editing, but if you don't, you can continue to make further tweaks and amendments to the color by either dropping down the intensity of the lookup table, or you can go through into the basic correction window and start to address the highlights, the contrast, the saturation, or even looking at the temperature, pulling some of those yellows out and going a little cooler or going a little, warmer. This is completely up to your discretion and how you feel you want the clip to look creatively. So you can go through and make as many tweaks as you like. Now, lastly, if you don't like any of the amendments that you've made or you've pushed all the faders too far, you can just delete this lookup table directly off the clip and start from scratch. All you have to do is head over to the left where you see Lumetri color and just delete that input off your clip, and you'll notice that the clip has just gone back to normal. So you can just go through that process straight again, choose a different lookup table, and voila. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email to notjustcolor@gmail.com. But this is a very simple tutorial in how you can apply the lookup tables in Premiere Pro.